Go quickly, go quickly. Is it moving still?
I think it's dead.
No, 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 no. Oh. No, oh. Bring the branch back now. Try cut. Oh shit, it's literally wrapped around his neck. I brought it for you to cut. Don't. Here, use this to cut. Oh shit. Almost.
He's like pretty much dead.
Come on, birdie. Oh, oh, oh no.
Calm down, young man.
Where is it stuck? In his mouth? Or around his neck? Oh my god.
I think it's dying.
Oh god. Maybe it just needs to catch its breath.
Looks stunned though. Not a breath.
Good job. Oh man.
Are you crying?
I hope it's alive when we go back, honestly.
She just got off duty. About to go pick up MJ from school. Here Shanika saying she saw a bird dying. Go and look. There was something trapped around the bird's neck. And
Right, because I saw the bird in the tree and I heard the rustling, so I look up now.
Yeah.
And all I see is like, it looked like it was hanging. And I was like, no, wait, looking at it, and it was rustling and trying to fly, and it was just stuck by something. I'm like,
So when I cut it down just now, like literally one of the eye was closed. Like I really hope it survived though.
we'll go back and check on it.
I really hope it survived. Just now I double checked again. He was laying on his back, and I moved. It flew a bit, but sad things, you know, sad things like soldier off duty, saved the bird.
Who cares?
Yay!
Who cares?
I saved the bird. Yay! I think it will live though. It's just trying to catch his breath.
I hope
Because
so,
it's been
because I don't know
suffocating for
how
a while.
long he was outside.
It seems like a long time because the eyes is closed.
You gotta just stop.
You gonna cry?
I'm not gonna cry on video.
Don't cry.
Honestly, I hope it's alive when we get it.
She's literally crying.
I'm not literally crying. I'm on the verge of
I can
tears.
hear it in your voice. But anyways, because of you, this bird is alive. Because I didn't see the bird. I just came straight in the car, and then she's like, "Oh, baby, come help this bird." Yeah, he's an ass. Sorry. Yeah. Anyways, we did what we could. Protect human nature. So, call me Daddy Savior. Right?
Yeah, you're so presumptuous and full of yourself.
Yeah, the bird lived. Yay! You're not happy I saved your bird? You little bird?
I'm the life giver. That's what I am.
Yeah, I'm kind of happy because, like, let me turn this TV down. Pardon me, guys. But anyways, this bird was suffering. Like, literally, eyes closed, gasping. It was a little sad. I'm not going to cry, though. It was sad.
Because you're heartless.
I'm not heartless.
You're heartless.
Anyways, thank God, came off duty early today, and I came and I saved the life. And I guess we'll do this more often. Go look for birds.
Let's go look for bunnies.
No. Y'all have a blessed day. We're gonna have a blessed day. Marley ain't having it. All right, take care, people. See y'all.